Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing kind of a little bit of a unboxing and a mini kind of tutorial today. So today I have some things that I ordered from Valentino Beauty. I got 3 powders from them. I have one. This is Perfect Nude. I've seen a lot of nail artists on YouTube and on Instagram use this for their ombres and stuff, so I wanted to kind of see what it was talking about. So I did get a nude, and I got one of their blues to try out, and I also got like a lilac lavender color. This company is kind of pricey, so we'll see if their products live up to the price. I'm sure they will, because a lot of people use these. So yeah, I got 103 lilac, 163 A1A, that's the blue, and then the Perfect Nude. And the Perfect Nude is 1.5 ounces, and these are doesn't say, but I'm pretty sure these are like half an ounce or something like that. So yeah. Today for the like mini tutorial I'll be doing with these colors, I'll be using practice fingers. I purchased these practice fingers on Amazon. I'll link them in the description box below so you can see the kind that I use. But they just came in this. I get the kind with the nail on it. As you can see, I have some of the nails already done in here. I get the kind with the nail tip on it already. So I'll need 2 of these today because we'll be doing ombre for 2 different colors. And also what you will need for this kind of tutorial, you'll need your monomer. You'll need your monomer, your clear powder, because I've learned from this other YouTuber here on YouTube. Her name is Sydney Alexis, I think. She taught me that you have to encapsulate your ombres so you don't file them away. So you'll need that as well. So yeah, and you'll need your brush. File, buffer, hold on your arms. So first I'm going to zoom you guys out. Okay, every time I think I have focus, it's not focused. But I get the fingers with the tips on them. So I'm going to cut the nail off of these 2 tips. Then I just take my file, let me get this stuff out of the way. Take my file and I'm just gonna rough up the nail bed so our nail can stick to it. And this file might be going out a little bit. I think that one's on the way out. So I'm gonna saturate my brush and pick up a bead and dot that on the bottom of the nail. Forgot my paper towel. So far there's no marbling with this first bead. And I love the pigmentation of the color. I'm going to stick this next bead right on top of the other bead and pat and drag down. And I'm going to do one more bead on top of that. Pat and drag down. Just one more little one up here, just for the blend. Okay, like so. And I'm gonna go ahead, oh, I glued that nail tip on crooked, but well. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the lilac color. And since we did the blue first, we can start with the blue. And for this part, I'm just going to take a bead of nude and apply this kind of right in the smile line area of the nail tip. And then I'm going to pat and drag down. Take another bead, and this is kind of my cuticle bead, and apply that on top. Clean up the edges, and I'll do one more bead to build the apex. And drag down lightly. Okay, so here's the finished product. I went ahead and biled, buffed, and top coated off camera. So this is the blue one. Let's come over here in the light. I do the base color first, and then I do the nude on top and blend it. This one was a little bit more trickier since the color was dark, but it is doable. And then second, this is the lilac one. You really can't tell. You can tell this is the nude up here, but the lilac is very light. So you really can't tell if you were to do ombre with that one. But it came out really pretty though, nice neutral kind of look. And I went ahead and swatched these for my ring up there. So yeah, we have the blue and the lilac. And then the ombres right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini tutorial how I do ombres. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.